Normally in horror games, when something scary happens, a loud musical sting plays to punctuate the horror. I use this in the trailer for my game Gangstalk when a data mosher appears, but I was wondering what it would look like if I inverted the sting so that instead of playing a loud noise, it completely cuts all of the audio. This fits the monster better since it's something that can't be perceived, but I'm wondering if it still works as a sting, whether it's still effective. Which one do you think is better?